drive works. This is how you train drive work. Keep the dog close because naturally their instinct is to go around and balance. That's called the heading behaviour. Yeah, fairly scary for those sheep to go in there. We might need that bag of tucker again. This is what you call cheating. You guys have probably all heard the adage, you can catch a lot more flies with honey than you can vinegar. And so what we're going to do is use some positive reinforcement techniques. Oh, this is a show, so I hope you don't need to be doing that. Bit of a dunny break there, halfway through. Caught. It's easy as that, kids. You don't actually need a kelpie after all, do you? Righto. Straightforward, positive reinforcement, quadrant learning. And of course that's how we should all train dogs. Positive reinforcement. Never bash or hurt a dog. Those days are well and truly gone. You might have seen someone on TV hurting dogs and telling them that you need to be pack leader. Of course that's absolute rubbish. You don't need to be pack leader, you just need to be your dog's best mate. After all, they are our best mates and we couldn't be able to do the work that we do in rural Australia without them. And of course, you wouldn't be able to have the great lives you do with dogs if you ever did hurt them. So make sure you never hurt dogs. Always reward them for behaviours you want and ignore all else. That's what we call positive reinforcement, positive learning. What do you reckon of the sheep, mate? Yeah? What's happened to their woolly jumper? They don't grow wool, so they're a bit funny. A lot of people always think these guys are goats. Does anyone know the difference between the real difference between a sheep and a goat? What do you reckon, sweetie? Can't remember. It'll come from... Yes, of course, the tail. That's it. Of course, sheep and goats are very, very similar in their ecological niche. It's a single difference. You can always tell. Sheep's tail goes down, and goat's tail goes up. Simple as that. Righto, this is going to be a backing behaviour. Let's all count it down. Big loud voices, Hornsby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Righto, she's up and over. There she goes all the way to the front. Can she make it? Yep, she's going to give her a round of applause. Now, can she come all the way back? Having a bit of a conversation there all the way, and she almost made it. Whoops, we're a bit stuck. There we go. Back over to the top again. Now, this is a really important behaviour to get dogs to do because if you are an only worker on the farm, which is very common in Australia now, like my dad's 85 years old, and he'll often be working that 100,000 acres by himself with his dog Rusty. So you need your dog to be helping really bunch the sheep up. So you can treat them all for whatever it is that you're treating. Could be worms, could be lice, could be drenching them, could be getting them, any behaviour that you'll need. This is one right here, especially to help out. Look at her sitting up there. You can all guys can grab a photograph and I'll get out of here before I get really back to a pulp. Anyone got any questions about working dogs, farm dogs? I'll make up the answers. So you're right. Excellent. There we go. Bring them all to the front. And then, of course, the job is to get them to push all the way out. You need this when you're at the sheep yards, the shearing time, the crutching time, or, of course, the sale time. There's been a lot of sales this week, and of course, everyone is having Sunday roast for Australia Day or lamb chops. Are they going to be able to get pushed away from that tucker bag?
Get around.
Not easy. Can she get them all the way out? Give her a round of applause. Not bad. And we do all the training out of the Farmer Days Dog Centre. If you do want to find out more, just come and have a yarn to Bushy Matt and I. We're just going to be over here. If you want your photograph of that gorgeous little brand new breed, a miniature Mexican Kelpie, sorry, I'll stick to it. They're quite acrobatic, this sheep. And of course, they don't waste any energy growing wool, so they do have a lot of excess energy. And I can tell you, if you work a few thousand of these each day, you end up coming back home looking like you've taken about 4 rounds with Mike Tyson. Yeah, beautiful stop there. Give him a round of applause. That is Bushy Matt and his gorgeous little dog there, Tanner. He's like, I don't care for you, Dad. I just want to look at the sheep. Give me another go. Yeah, and one more big round of applause. And thank you so much for coming along to Australia Day and celebrating with your fellow Australians with a brand new or been here for many generations. much to Hornsby Shire Council for putting on this beautiful day for all